Yorubol ninyo sa so ito guys, vocabulary for adverb. So most requested ito guys. Maraming humingi dito. So ito guys, kompleto na. So adverb of time, place, frequency, and degrees. So unahin natin yung adverb of time. Number 1, when, 언제. Now, 지금. Now, 현재. Number 4, now, 이제. 5, that time. gute, at once, 굿. sometime, 온지가, never, 귤거, yet, 아직. adverb of place, here, 유게, there, 구게, over there, 주게. adverb of frequency, once, 한 번, twice, 두 번, sometimes, 가끔, occasionally, titiro, occasionally, 종종, often, 자주, continuously, 계속, always, 늘. adverb of degree, very, 아주, well, 잘, very, 대단해, very much, 굉장해, perfectly, 완전해, simple, 단순해, very, near, very, 상당해, too, normal, enormously, 엄청, more, 더, less, 덜, only, 불과, as many as, 모두요, most, 가장, the first, TL, at random, mago, absolutely, sultiro. So ayun guys, sa mga APS aspirants, ito yung napaka-basic na napakahalaga sa exam. So dapat i-memorize nyo talaga ito dahil sobrang magagamit nyo ito sa exam guys. Yorubon ninyo nga guys, isa sa mga pinag-aralan ko nung ako'y nag-exam ay ang adverb. Napakahalaga ito sa lahat ng aspeto, sa pag-answer sa exam, sa listening, sa reading, sa pakikinig at pagbabasa. Magagamit din ito sa pagkikipag-usap at pagbuo ng sentence. Kaya dapat i-memorize nyo talaga ito. Number 1, no mo. Too much. Number 2, chal, well. Number 3, acho, very. Number 4, mani, mini. Number 5, botong, choro, usually. Number 6, chaju, often. Number 7, 항상, null, 언제나, always. Number 8, 같이, 함께, together. Number 9, also, Amy, already. Number 10, kakom, sometimes. Number 11, aka, a while ago. Number 12, yung wonne, forever. Number 13, elchik, early. Number 14, notke, late. Number 15, ta, mudo, all. Number 16, haru, a day. Number 17, hunja, alone. Number 18, 열심히, eagerly. Number 19, 갑자기, suddenly. Number 20, 가장, GL, most. Number 21, koy, nearly, almost. Number 22, kumbang, soon. Number 23, bangkom, right now. Number 24, itaga, for a while. Number 25, majimak, last. Number 26, munjo, first. Number 27, chom, first time. Number 28, ajik,
Still, yet. Number 29, Tashi. Repeat. Again. Number 30, Mary. Advance. So yun guys, dapat i-memorize nyo talaga yun para sobrang magagamit yun sa answer ng face-to-face exam sa lahat ng mga aspirant. Good luck po.